Hi, my name is Lindsay, and I'm going to tell you why I should be class president for the U.S. History class this year. I have lots of experience. I'm a freshman, but I went to the middle school for Williamsburg for 2 years, and I was a class president twice and a secretary once. So I've got lots of experience, I know how Blackboard works, and I know how to get class started. I'm a straight A student. When I turn things in, I'm not just going to turn it in. I'm going to give it my very best and give it everything I've got. I'm very sociable, and I want everyone this year to come on mic and webcam and to really participate, really make class memorable, and really learn something. I'm responsible. When you guys are having troubles, when you have questions, I want to be able to help you. In the future, when you look back, I want you to remember making goals and being able to accomplish them and to reach them. I really want, that really good feeling inside. I really want class this year to be great. I want it to be like a dream come true. And I really want to make that happen. So vote for me as your new class president.